Hello friends, today on this video right now I'm going to show you how to remove pattern lock on Realme mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first, what you have to do is that you have to move on setting, then you have to scroll down like this. Okay, sorry, here is the security option, so you have to move on security. After you have been moved on security, scroll up little bit and here you are going to find this screen lock option, so click on screen lock. Here you have to draw the screen lock. Okay, then after that, if you want to remove, what you need to do is that the first option is the none. Just click on none and click on yes to remove. So here the pattern lock has been removed. Okay, you can remove it like this. Okay, and friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.